Guys, welcome to Dudes and Tools. So here you can see my restored diesel Enfield. Just came out of the paint job and doesn't have any emblems on it. So I bought an emblem kit from a local spares outlet. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it on the bike. So I just bought this kit from a local spares outlet. It costed 1550, but I got it at a discounted price of 1300. So this is the sticker that the emblem kit that comes for the Electra. It's a genuine Royal Enfield accessory. So I'm gonna try and fix this on this my vehicle and not try to mess it up. Let us see what comes in the kit. So these are for the side toolboxes, and this is for the tank. That there is for the mudguard. So I also bought this tank pad kit. These come as part of the classic side tanks. It costed around 400 rupees. That's it guys. Now you all have a nice day. Bye bye.